How to look beautiful in school uniform. Are you tired of feeling like your school uniform is holding you back from showcasing your unique personality? Do you dream of standing out in the hallways and making a statement with your style? Well, you're in the right place. This video is a special collaboration with Avel Vibes. Make sure to subscribe her channel. School uniforms are more than just a required outfit. They're a blank canvas waiting for your personal touch. They're a chance to express your individuality, showcase your creativity, and tell the world who you are. But let's face it, sometimes it's hard to feel confident and stylish in a uniform. You might feel like you're lost in a sea of sameness, struggling to find your own voice amidst the crowd. That's why today, we're talking about how to break free from the ordinary and turn your school uniform into a chic and confident look that's all about you. We'll explore how to infuse your personality into every aspect of your school style, from the way you wear your uniform to the way you carry yourself. Imagine walking through the hallways, feeling confident, poised, and unapologetically yourself. Imagine the sense of pride and empowerment that comes with owning your style. As we dive into this conversation, I want you to remember that fashion is not just about clothes. It's about self-expression, creativity, and attitude. It's about embracing your uniqueness and sharing it with the world. Let's redefine what it means to wear a school uniform and make it a symbol of confidence, individuality, and style. Let's get started the video. Tip number 1, uniform styling. Uniform styling is all about looking and feeling great in your school uniform. It starts with a well-fitting uniform that flatters your body. Make sure your blouse or shirt isn't too tight or too loose, and your skirt or pants hit just above the knee. Your sleeves should reach your wrists, and your collar should sit comfortably around your neck. Avoid baggy or oversized clothes that can look sloppy. Instead, opt for a tailored fit that creates a clean, streamlined appearance. Also, pay attention to fabric quality. Choose breathable materials like cotton or polyester blends that keep you comfortable throughout the day. Iron your uniform to prevent wrinkles and creases. Hang it up as soon as it's dry to maintain its shape. By wearing a well-fitting ironed uniform, you'll look polished, feel confident, and be ready to take on the day. Remember, a great fitting uniform is the foundation of a stylish and confident you. Tip number 2, layering. Wearing a school uniform doesn't mean you can't look stylish. One of the easiest ways to add some flair is by layering. This means wearing cardigans, blazers, or jackets over your uniform to create a polished and put-together look. Not only will you stay warm and cozy, but you'll also add visual interest to your outfit. Layering also helps break up the uniformity of your outfit, making it more exciting. Try pairing a patterned blouse with a solid colored cardigan or a pleated skirt with a fitted jacket. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures, colors, and patterns to express your personality. Just remember, 1 or 2 layers are enough. You don't want to look bulky. By incorporating layering into your school uniform style, you'll elevate your look from basic to brilliant. Whether you're heading to class, a school event, or just hanging out with friends, layering is a simple yet effective way to showcase your style and beauty. Tip number 3, accessorizing. Adding a few simple accessories can transform your school uniform from ordinary to extraordinary. Accessorizing with jewelry, scarves, and belts is a great way to add a personal touch and express your style. Start with a statement piece of jewelry, like a bold necklace or elegant earrings, to instantly elevate your look. A colorful scarf can add a pop of color and texture. Tied around your neck, wrist, or even as a hair tie. Belts cinch at your waist, defining your shape and breaking up the uniformity. Try mixing and matching different patterns, textures, and colors to create a unique look. For example, pair a striped scarf with a polka dot blouse or a leather belt with a flowy skirt. Don't overdo it. 1 or 2 statement pieces are enough to make an impact. Remember, accessorizing is all about balance. Keep your uniform neat and tidy, then add a few flair pieces to showcase your personality. By accessorizing thoughtfully, you'll add a touch of sophistication and confidence to your school uniform, making you look and feel beautiful. Some popular accessorizing ideas for school uniforms include simple necklaces or earrings, colorful scarves or bandanas, belts or sashes, hair ties or clips, minimalist watches or bracelets. Remember to check your school's dress code policy before adding any accessories. Tip number 4, grooming. To look beautiful in your school uniform, grooming is essential. Start with your hair, wash it regularly, condition it to keep it soft, and style it neatly. Try a sleek ponytail, braids, or a bun to keep your hair out of your face. Use a hair tie or clip to secure stray strands. For a polished look, trim your nails and keep them clean. Take care of your skin by washing your face twice a day and moisturizing to prevent dryness. Get enough sleep to avoid dark circles under your eyes. Keep your eyebrows trimmed and shaped to frame your face. Practice good hygiene by showering daily, using deodorant, and wearing clean clothes. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner, and avoid excessive perfume or cologne. Keep your shoes clean and polished, and use a lip balm or lip gloss to keep your lips soft. By following these simple grooming tips, you'll feel confident, look beautiful, and rock your school uniform with style. Grooming tips. Wash your hands frequently. Use sunscreen to protect your skin. Avoid biting or chewing your nails. Use a hairbrush or comb to detangle your hair. Smile brightly with clean, white teeth. Take care of your overall health to glow from within. By paying attention to these details, you'll look and feel your absolute best in your school uniform. Tip number 5, makeup. When wearing your school uniform, a little makeup can enhance your natural beauty. Keep it simple and subtle, as school is not the place for dramatic looks. Start with a light moisturizer to hydrate your skin, then apply a sheer foundation or tinted sunscreen to even out your complexion. Conceal blemishes and dark circles under your eyes with a concealer. Define your brows with a brow pencil or brow gel. Add a swipe of mascara to make your eyes sparkle. Use a light lip balm or lip gloss to keep your lips soft and shiny. Blush can add a healthy glow, but choose a soft pink shade. Remember, less is more. You want to look naturally beautiful, not made up. Avoid heavy eyeshadow, bold lip colors, and thick eyeliner. Keep your makeup quick and easy to apply so you can focus on your studies. By enhancing your features with subtle makeup, you'll feel confident, look beautiful, and rock your school uniform with style. Makeup tips. Keep your makeup natural and subtle. Avoid heavy or dramatic makeup. Use light, gentle products. Practice good skincare habits. Tip number 6, hairstyling. When wearing your school uniform, your hairstyle can make all the difference. Start with clean, brushed hair. It's the foundation of any great style. For a polished look, try a sleek ponytail or bun, securing stray strands with bobby pins. Braids are also a cute option, whether you prefer a simple 3-strand braid or a more intricate fishtail. If you have curly hair, embrace your natural texture with a light hold curl product. For straight hair, add some movement with a texturizing spray. A low messy bun or a half-up, half-down style can add a touch of elegance. Avoid overly complicated styles that may distract from your focus on learning. Keep your hair tied back during labs, sports, or other activities. Use hair accessories like hair ties, clips, or headbands to add a pop of color. Trim your hair regularly to prevent split ends. By styling your hair thoughtfully, you'll feel confident, look beautiful, and rock your school uniform with style. Tip number 7, shoes, socks, tights. When wearing your school uniform, your shoes, socks, and tights can add the perfect finishing touches. Choose shoes that are comfortable, yet stylish. Black or brown loafers, ballet flats, or sneakers are popular options. Make sure they're polished and clean to add a touch of sophistication. For socks, opt for plain white, black, or neutral colors that match your uniform. Patterned socks can add a fun touch, but check your school's dress code first. If you wear tights, choose opaque or semi-opaque ones in neutral colors to keep your legs warm and add a smooth finish. Avoid torn or sagging tights, and ensure they match your skirt or dress length. Consider knee-high socks or over-the-knee socks for a trendy look. By coordinating your shoes, socks, and tights thoughtfully, you'll complete your uniform with style and confidence.